Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, the topic for week 6, that is complement and subject complement and object complement. So the very first question is, what is complement? What is complement? Complement is a word that completes sentence. For example, he is dash. So this is incomplete sentence. So now I complete it. He is happy. He is happy. Happy. So happy completes the sentence. So we can say happy is complement. Happy is a complement. So this complement is placed sometimes with subject and sometimes with the object. Now, for example, in object, teacher made Ali a monitor. A monitor. So in this sentence, Ali is object. Ali is a object. Object. And a monitor. Who is monitor? Ali. Ali. So a monitor completes the object. The object in this sentence is Ali. So we can say that in this sentence, Ali a monitor, object complement. Object complement. Object complement. Because a monitor is completing Ali and Ali is the object. In the same way, Mr. Aslam, an engineer is my brother. Mr. Aslam, an engineer is my brother. Mr. Aslam, subject. An engineer. Who is engineer? Mr. Aslam is engineer. So an engineer completes Mr. Aslam. So we can say Mr. Aslam, an engineer, is my brother. So subject complement. Subject complement. The main, as I have told you, that the main object, the main purpose of the complement is to complete something. It may be subject, it may be object. So with the help of complement you complete. And the thing like he is happy, he subject. Subject, what is subject? The doer of an action. The doer of an action is called subject. Object, on which you are doing something. On which you are doing something, that is object. So in this lecture on the main topics, the main article, the main things, the main components which I have told. Complement. What is complement? Now, the role of complement. The role of complement with object. This is the example. Teacher made Ali a monitor. The role of complement with subject, an engineer. So it completes the aslam. So we can say that complements, subject complements and object complements. So such type of MCQs are given in federal boards, and I hope that having the clear concept, you will at once pick the correct options. So now, while doing the MCQs, read four options carefully. Read four options carefully. But take the best one. Take the best one, because the answer is always best one. I hope that you will do it with your best efforts. Thank you very much.